There are many features in the ColorFit Nav smartwatch that aid in its smooth functioning. Let's take you through them. Turn on the watch by pressing either of the side buttons. Go to Settings. Tap on Accessibility. Change the text font size as per your preference. Tap to adjust the brightness as per your preference. Tap to see your device information. Tap to go to Orientation and choose the wrist placement. The dominant hand, the left hand, or the non-dominant hand, the right hand, as per your choice. Tap to adjust the vibration level to get notified. Turn on the lift to wake. Set the screen timeout time as per your preference. Turn on the night mode to adjust the brightness settings of the watch screen. Choose the dial to change the watch face. You can also change or edit the watch face from the NoiseFit X app. We'll share those steps later. Choose the watch face of your choice. The QR code helps you scan and download the NoiseFit X app on your phone. Tap on Restart. Click on X to cancel. Click on Check to restart. Tap on Reset. Click on X to cancel, or click on Check to confirm. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.